QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Whiskey 9 Lima, your 5-9 plus, Northwest Georgia, Park 2187. Hi, I'm Dwayne, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. We're back at Park K-2187 for the Parks in the Air program. We're going to try for our Kilo Award today. We've got around 142 contacts to make, so we've got a tough job ahead of us. But I think with the FT-891, a little bit of luck, and the Buddistick, we're going to make it happen. So stick with us. I'll show you the setup, and then we'll get started. Okay, here's our setup for today. We're going to use the Yeasu FT-891. We're using our iPad to log. We have the Miadi 16 amp hour battery that we're going to use today. And over here we've got our Buddistick Pro set up. It is a little bit windy today, so we're going to use the rigid tripod again. And as you see, we do have the Versa hub, the Buddistick Pro Versa hub connected to the rigid tripod. We've got 4 of the antenna arms. We've got the coil middle loaded or center loaded, and the long whip today. We're operating on 40 meters. As you can see, we got the counter for you set out to the north. So stick with us and we'll start making contact. Okay, just like the last video, we're going to bring you along with us as we get started. I've been listening to this frequency for about 10 minutes while I've got everything set up. There's nothing on the frequency, but we're still calling, make sure it's clear. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the POTA website and get us spotted. And we'll see if the frequency's clear, and then we'll get ourselves spotted, and then we'll start calling CQ. So, is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Is this frequency in use? Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Okay, again, we've been listening to the frequency. It seems to be clear. I don't hear nothing coming back to me, so we're going to go and get ourselves spotted on the network. Okay, so we're spotted on the POTA network, and we'll start calling CQ. CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango, calling CQ Parks in the Air. CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango, calling CQ Parks in the Air. CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Whiskey Bravo 8 Victor Charlie Radio, your 5555 here, Park 2187, QSL.
QSL, and you're a nice 5'9" into northern Ohio. My name is Tom, tired old man. Thanks for the activation.
Okay, Tom, appreciate the contact, friend. 7-3, QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Kilo November 4, Bravo Foxtrot Bravo.
Kilo November 4, Bravo Foxtrot Bravo, your 5959 Northwest Georgia, part number 2187. Thanks for the contact, friend. 7-3, QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango.
Park to Park. Kilo Delta 2, uniform Bravo X-ray.
Okay, Kilo Delta 2, just a moment. I got a Park to Park in there. Go ahead, Park to Park.
This is K3 BOA. You're 5'9" into Kilo 7016, West Virginia.
Okay, was that Kilo 3 Bravo Oscar Hotel?
Kilo 3 Bravo Oscar Alpha.
Okay, Bravo Oscar Alpha, Kilo 7016. You're 5'9" here in Northwest Georgia at part number 2187.
Got it. Good luck on your activation, 73.
Same to you, friend. Thanks for the contact. 7-3, QRZ Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango, Bravo 3 station.
Kilo Bravo 2, uniform Bravo X-ray.
Okay, Kilo Delta 2.
Yes, Kilo Delta 2, uniform Bravo X-ray.
Kilo Delta 2, Uniform Bravo X-ray, you're 5'9", Northwest Georgia, part number 2187.
QSL, you are 5'8", into the Adirondack Mountains of New York State. Thanks for taking my call.
Thanks for the contact from New York, friend. 7-3, QRZ, Parks in the Air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Okay, so we're back at home. That was fun. It got dark pretty quick, so I had to come back home to do the recap. So hey, we went out today with a goal. We wanted to get 1,000 contacts for the Parks in the Air program at this park. We wound up with a total of 1,005 so far, so we did get the Kilo award that we were looking for, and we look forward to getting more awards in the future at other parks. Look, if you're not part of the Parks in the Air program or you don't know how to get involved, join the website at parksintheair.com or the Facebook group. If you have any questions or like I said, just don't know how to get on the air with the Parks in the Air program, the Facebook group would be the perfect place to get those questions answered. There's a lot of great people there that are willing to help you anytime you need it. They helped me a lot. Look, I thank you for all the support. I thank you for the messages that I've been getting about the previous video that I put out and the suggestions for future videos. I plan on doing some more videos. I have some gear to review. I've got some antennas to review. And I'm going to do videos of my future park activations. So I hope that you'll click like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, I hope that you stay safe. I hope that you stay well. And I hope to see you on the air. 7-3.